welcome to our main Dawn Bread factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Dawn Bread is made, step by step.
Every loaf of Dawn Bread begins here, with carefully delivered raw ingredients from trusted farms.
Before production starts, Dawn Bread flour is inspected to ensure purity, freshness, and perfect quality.
Exact measurements matter because the balance of flour defines the softness of Dawn Bread. Yeast is the living heart of the process, giving Dawn Bread its rise and airy texture. Only filtered, temperature-controlled water is used, keeping Dawn Bread consistent in every batch. Even the smallest ingredients, like salt and sugar, shape the flavor of Dawn Bread. Automation ensures speed and accuracy as Dawn Bread ingredients move smoothly into production. This massive warehouse holds everything needed to produce thousands of Dawn Bread loaves daily. The factory comes alive with motion and heat, signaling the start of Dawn Bread creation.
With ingredients prepared and verified, Dawn Bread is now ready to enter the mixing stage.
Inside these giant mixers, Dawn Bread dough begins forming with perfect speed and controlled power.
This texture is everything. The elasticity here defines the soft bite of Dawn Bread.
Modern control systems track every detail, ensuring Dawn Bread remains identical in every batch.
Temperature is carefully managed because even slight changes can affect Dawn Bread quality. The rhythm of mixing is precise, turning raw ingredients into Dawn Bread's signature dough. Once mixed, the dough moves forward automatically, keeping Dawn Bread production fast and hygienic. Even with automation, expert hands still confirm Dawn Bread meets the highest standards. This factory never pauses, producing dawn bread dough continuously for massive daily demand. The air is warm with motion and energy as dawn bread dough develops its perfect structure. Now the dough is ready to rise and transform into the bread we recognize as dawn bread. Here, dawn bread dough begins to breathe. Fermentation creates the softness and airy structure. In controlled warmth, dawn bread slowly rises, preparing for its perfect oven transformation. Automation ensures every dawn bread loaf starts the same. Equal size, equal quality, every time. Even in modern factories, human expertise adds the final touch to dawn bread shaping. The journey continues as dawn bread loaves move forward, ready to meet intense baking heat. This is where raw dough transforms. The oven gives dawn bread its golden life.
Each second in the oven builds flavor, creating dawn bread's signature crust and aroma.
Robots handle the heat with precision, ensuring dawn bread bakes evenly in every batch. The moment the ovens open, dawn bread emerges, warm, fragrant, and perfectly baked. Now the transformation is complete. Dawn bread is fully baked, ready for packaging and delivery. Before packaging begins, dawn bread must cool perfectly to preserve freshness and softness. Precision slicers ensure every dawn bread piece is uniform, smooth, clean, and ready to serve. Packaging happens in seconds, sealing dawn bread safely to lock in its bakery fresh taste. Every dawn bread pack is labeled with care, ensuring traceability and trusted quality. Strong seals protect Dawn bread from air and moisture, keeping it fresh for customers.
The factory moves with incredible speed, delivering Dawn bread efficiently without stopping.
Robotic systems handle Dawn bread gently, stacking thousands of loaves with perfect order. This is the heart of packaging, where Dawn bread is prepared for distribution across the region.
Human supervision ensures every Dawn bread package meets strict standards before shipment.
Now fully packed and sealed, Dawn bread is ready to travel from factory to stores. Before leaving the factory, every Dawn bread pack is inspected to guarantee top quality. A perfect seal is essential, keeping Dawn bread protected, fresh, and safe for customers. Automated systems verify each Dawn bread pack, ensuring correct weight and consistency. Every Dawn bread loaf is tracked digitally, from production line all the way to delivery.
In the lab, Dawn bread is tested for softness, texture, and freshness before approval.
After passing inspection, Dawn bread is boxed carefully, ready for distribution nationwide. Forklifts move thousands of Dawn bread loaves efficiently, preparing them for the road.
At dawn, Dawn bread begins its journey, traveling fresh to stores and homes everywhere. From above, the scale is clear. Dawn bread production is a masterpiece of modern logistics. And this is how Dawn bread is made today. A perfect blend of tradition, technology, and care.
And that's how bread is made. And at Fermentation, from start to finish.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.